Okay, so the final topic for this attempted not yet learned is here, ordering numbers with positive exponents, and most people got that right. Okay, it looks like 95% of the people who started it got it right and finished it. But it's worth a little bit of practice. Let's go back and look at this. All right, so now we're asked to order the exponents by choosing greater than, less than, or equals. All right, so I got to look at this here now, and obviously, one thing I could do is I could just put these in my calculator and multiply them out. And I hope you don't do that. It's really going to help you. That's definitely not what this exercise is about. And if you do that, by the way, it's probably going to end up you're going to be brought back to this at some point. So let's look at this. 3 cubed times 5 cubed blank 15 to the 5th. All right. So what I'm going to do, I can't tell if that's equals or what. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, these both have the same exponent. What I can do is I can take the exponent to the outside of the parentheses. I can see that that's 15 cubed. And this is 15 to the 5. Okay, so it looks like this one's less than. All right. Now let's do the next one. 3 to the 5 times 3 to the 3. And this is 3 to the 8, okay? Well, these don't have the same exponents. I can't pull the exponent out, but I can pull, plus I want to make that. You see, I also have some hint that I want the base to stay the same. Do you mind taking that? Thank you. I want the base to stay the same because it's 3 over here, right? So, I have a common base. I can say this is 3 to the 5 plus 3. And this is 3 to the 8th. Okay, I can see that those two are equal. Okay? And finally, hopefully this last one's easy, 3 to the 5 times 5 to the 3. And this is 15 to the 3. All right, so what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to change this. I'm going to change the order of this. I'm going to go with a different color because I'm starting to get a little bit busy. I'm going to change this to 3 to the 2 times 3 to the 3 times 5 to the 3. Because look at that, I sort of had a hint. I've got a third up to, a raised to the cube. So I'm going to make a bunch of cubes there, right? 15 to the 3. You see that? So this then is going to equal to, I can't tell what's going on here. I'm a little bit busy, sorry. This is going to be equal to 3 to the 2 times 3 times 5 to the 3rd. You see what I did? The same thing I did up here. Right? I did that here. Same thing. Okay. All right. So it looks like it's 3 squared times 15 cubed, and it looks like that's going to be greater than 15 cubed, right? Can you see that? That's greater than 15 cubed. Okay, so the first time it's less than because we took a common exponent and pulled it out, right? The second one was equals. What we did was we took a common base, right, and added the exponents. In the third one, we had to use a little bit of ingenuity. We actually made a common exponent, right? We took this 3 to the 5th and took a 3 to the 3rd out of it so that we could do the same thing we did upstairs. All right, hope that's helpful.